Thank you for purchasing a DS2000 door skin decrimping tool from ASTRO Pneumatic Tool Company. The DS2000 is very straightforward and simple to operate. However, spending a few minutes to read through the instructions and watch this video will make you more proficient in the use of the DS2000. The DS2000 employs a new technique in removing door skins and other auto body panels. Rather than grinding all around the edge of the damaged door skin, the DS2000 simply decrimps or folds the crimp of the skin open and can be used successfully in areas as short as 3 inches or longer. It is typically necessary to remove any seam sealer that is present on the door flange. Before using the DS2000 to uncrimp the flange, it is necessary to uncrimp a small section of the flange using the hand tool. Once a small section of the flange has been started, hook the tip of the DS2000 uncrimping head on the started flange and apply power to the tool. The reciprocal motion of the head quickly and easily unfolds the flange as you move the tool along the edge of the damaged door skin. The inside edge of the uncrimping head must be kept parallel to the edge of the door. In other words, the body of the DS2000 must be kept at a 20-degree angle to the door edge. This angle of operation will keep your hand free of the ragged steel edge as you move the tool. The head can be removed and reinstalled at different angles at 30-degree increments relative to the body of the tool should you find it necessary. A secondary handle is also included with your DS2000 to assist in keeping the tool in the proper position. It is necessary to drill any spot welds that hold the door skin onto the door shell. Insert a heavy putty knife while using a hammering motion. This will break the bond between the shell and the skin. And for making all your door skinning jobs easier, do not forget the DS1000 door skin installing tool.